Tonight, a new D.C. law aimed at cracking down on dangerous driving.
Yeah, so this bill unanimously passed D.C. Council yesterday and now heads to Mayor Muriel Bowser's desk. Fox 5's David Kaplan is in Northwest D.C. tonight with what it would do. David?
It's called the STEER Act. It passed D.C. Council yesterday. Essentially, it tries to create some more teeth, more accountability, particularly as it relates to these, D.C.'s automated traffic cameras. Talked to one D.C. resident today who says he supports more enforcement and accountability, particularly for those who live out of state and get violations in the district.
Fair is fair, absolutely. If I have to pay, somebody from Ohio or Nebraska should pay as well.
The bill does a few things. It creates an enforcement mechanism for vehicles driving recklessly, creating accountability to boot a car if it has a certain number of infractions in a 6-month period. It also gives new authority to the Attorney General to use the court system to compel particularly egregious out-of-state offenders to pay fines. In some cases, it would also permit D.C. to put physical devices in the vehicles of people who have reckless driving offenses, which would restrict the speeds they can travel over the speed limit.
When someone has driven egregiously and dangerously, but we do decide they are going to still be able to have their car, we can use a smart, intelligent speed assist to make sure that we keep their speeds capped at the right levels. And I think it's using technology in a smart way to really make sure that we're keeping our roads safe.
That's Councilmember Charles Allen, who chairs the Council's Transportation Committee and says all of these are aimed at creating consequences and accountability and therefore, he says, making people safer. Fox 5 did reach out to Mayor Bowser about this. She says on the whole, she supports this legislation, does have some concerns about the overall cost, so we'll monitor that. Also, one more thing to note, there is accompanying legislation in Council right now to crack down on fake temporary tags. So that's definitely something that sort of accompanies this that we'll keep tabs on as well as that continues to work its way through Council.